Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share the Shark ION AV753 robot vacuum setup and troubleshooting guide. You will get the details to use without any issue in future. Let's start. First, we provide the installation process. Here you need to attach the two included side brushes to the square pegs. To install the brushes on your robot vacuum, align each brush directly with the plastic peg, located on the underside of the unit, and press down firmly, until you hear a distinct click. This sound indicates that the brushes have locked into place. No tools are required for this installation. Place the charging dock on a flat surface with a wall behind it and without obstructions, so that your robot can easily access it. Remove any objects located less than 3 feet from either side of the dock, or less than 5 feet in front of it. Now, plug the charging adapter into a wall socket. It is essential that the dock remains continuously plugged in so that the robot vacuum can easily locate it. The robot will beep when it begins charging on the dock. When the cleaning cycle is complete, or if the battery is running low, the robot vacuum automatically begins searching for the dock. If your robot vacuum does not return to the dock, its battery may have run out. In such a situation, you will need to manually place the vacuum cleaner back on the dock. There are 3 lights in the Shark robot vacuum. First light is error indicator light. This light helps to detect any issue and start blinking. Second is charge indicator light. Here you can check the battery status. Third light is Wi-Fi indicator light. It will show the connection status. If you want to connect your robot vacuum with your Wi-Fi network, then you can easily do this. In the next, we will explain to connect your robot vacuum with Wi-Fi network. Install the Shark Clean app on your mobile. You can download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Now, activate the pairing mode. To activate, press and hold both the dock and max buttons on the top of the robot simultaneously until the Wi-Fi light flashes. Then, open the app, and select Add a Robot. Here, you need to choose the AV753 series. When prompted, enter your Wi-Fi password. Follow the app instructions to complete the setup. If your Shark ION robot vacuum not connecting to Wi-Fi, then unplug your robot vacuum, Wi-Fi router and modem from the power. Then, wait about 2 minutes. Now, plug them back in. After the power cycle, your robot vacuum will easily connect to the Wi-Fi network. If you're having any Wi-Fi or connectivity issue on your Shark ION AV753 robot vacuum cleaner, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching the complete video.